What's going on, food friends? Hope you're all doing awesome out there today. I've re-released my hummus video after deleting it a couple days ago, and I kind of wanted to talk about why. It's a wild story. I thought I was making it big. I thought I'd finally started to go viral. Turns out someone else was making money off me. So on December 28th, right after Christmas, I released a video playing with my Christmas toys where I was going to make hummus with my new food processor. I spelled hummus wrong like 20 times. I spelled it wrong in the thumbnail. I spelled it wrong in the description. I spelled it wrong in the title. And of course, the YouTube algorithm had no clue what to do with it. Some subscribers watched it. It got a few views, like maybe 50, 55, and then it just died. And I didn't notice it. It took me a couple of days, and then I realized I misspelled everything, and I fixed it. I fixed the thumbnail, I fixed the description, and re-released it. Just made the changes. And of course, YouTube did nothing with it. It just didn't have a clue. So it basically flopped over the first few days. I mean, I had the misspellings, the algorithm didn't know what to do with it. I had subscribers that watched it and liked it, and I appreciate that, but it wasn't going out to anyone new, and it basically just died after a few days. Then on Monday, January 5th, it started moving like crazy. And I'm talking hundreds of hits with just in a few hours. And they were watching 2, 3 minutes of a 4-minute video, which was really surprising. Thought I was going viral. And that was sort of shocking to me because my recipes are good. I know that. But my videos are what I'm here to do and work on and learn. And, my videos are mid. They're not the best. They're not worst, but they're not great either. And it didn't seem to warrant this attention. And as more and more views were coming in, I started looking at the analytics. And that's when I realized that 99% of the traffic was basically coming from two sources. It was coming from YouTube advertising and from unknown application. And sort of didn't know what was going on. It looked like there was a paid promotion, like I had paid YouTube to promote my video. But even from what I've read on that, it wasn't working like a normal promotion. I was getting long view time, but I wasn't getting subscribers and I wasn't getting likes, and it really felt weird. I hadn't, promoted it myself. I thought maybe since it was the 1 year anniversary of my channel and it was New Year's, someone like one of my cool friends had maybe like gave me a small promotion, just out of the kindness of their heart. I mean, I didn't really think much of it and I had no idea what was going on. So I just sort of left it for the next day. So I waited, I watched. I woke up the next morning and I had like 17 or 18,000 views. At one point, I was getting almost 3,000 views an hour. No clue what was going on. And obviously, this wasn't a paid promotion. It wasn't one of my friends. It wasn't me. It's all still coming in through the same traffic source, and I have no idea what's going on. So I do what I do, and I start searching on Google and found some stuff on Reddit. It seems like other people had dealt with this before. And that basically it was a promotion, and someone was using my video as a commercial, as an advertisement on YouTube. They didn't steal it. They didn't download it and upload it as a video of their own. They literally just linked to my video through whatever app they were, and thousands and thousands of people were watching it. At one point, I had almost up to 750 view hours, and that is more than my entire channel, like for the entire year, basically in 3 days. So I knew this wasn't right. Um, and YouTube was really of no help. I'm sort of a small channel now, and I had to figure this out on my own. So, sure enough, I deleted the video. So basically, after going through all my stats and analytics on YouTube, once they finally published, and my research online, I realized what was going on. And that was basically that a person in India was linking my video through a third-party app and using it to promote a completely unrelated product. Like, I don't think they were selling hummus. I have no idea. I couldn't find what they were actually doing. But really, the reason this was coming through was promotion, and I wasn't getting credit for any of it on my stats, is that this wasn't me. This was a paid promotion. Someone in India was paying YouTube to promote their video, which was actually my video, through their app, and they were making money. and I wasn't seeing a cent of it. So, like I said, I literally deleted the video and I'm reposting it up this morning. This video is probably going to come out a couple hours after that, and just sort of an explanation of what's going on and why. So, the lesson from all of this is always look at your stats, dig into them. Not everything that looks great is great. But I want to thank you all for your time today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I've got more recipes up on the side over here that I'm sure you've been looking at for a second now. Go ahead and click on them. Watch my hummus video. Watch it twice. Share it. Post it. Don't care. Let's just get it out there. But again, thank you all, everybody. Have a great one. Peace.